In today's video, I will put you through on how to get Microsoft Word free. So, if you don't have money to subscribe to Microsoft 365, this guide will put you through on the steps you need to take to use Microsoft Word freely. Without taking much time, let's get into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to connect your laptop to the internet. All right, you can see here this one is connected to a Wi-Fi named JTech. Okay, so you can use Wi-Fi that is close in your locality or mobile data. Anyone can serve. All right, so that's okay. That's the first step. Okay, then after that, open your web browser. So here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. I would like to have this in incognito mode first so that you see how the page will look like the first time you access it, okay? Then visit www.office.com or just simply type office.com. Anyone can go, okay? Once the page opens, you'll be landed on an interface that looks like this. It says, Welcome to Microsoft 365. All right. If you have an account with Microsoft, click on Sign In and sign in with your email address and the password. All right. But if you don't have an existing account with Microsoft, please take the step of sign up for free version of Microsoft 365. All right, and then follow the on-screen guide. In this case, I have a Microsoft account, so I have to sign in for us to take the next steps. Okay. Okay, on signing in successfully, you will have an interface that looks like this. Okay, this is a kind of guide telling you how to use this platform. It says pinned is now favorites. Okay, so they have changed the term pinned to favorites in Microsoft 365. It says your pinned items have been added to favorites. No problem. You can click on next to see the next guide and click on done. All right, but that is not what you're into here. So the next step you need to take is to look at this. All right, look at this margin, this left margin. You will see Word, you will see Excel, you see other Microsoft apps. Okay, so click on Word. On clicking on Word, you'll be taken to this start page, all right, start screen of Microsoft Word. All right, you can see blank documents here. You can see boards, that's the other templates you can edit depending on what you want to create. Okay, so on the assumption that I want to use blank document, the next step to take is to click on this blank document. Okay, once this blank document opens, this will be assigned a title named document 1. So let me just throw a little bit of light on how to use this. So you click on this and call it any name, all right? All right? Okay, so here I called mine file sample. You can see this indication. This means that any document you're creating on this platform is going to be saved on OneDrive automatically. So you don't need to click any save button. In fact, there's no save button here. So everything is made available on the web, all right, on the cloud system. So anytime you want to access this file, you can come over to OneDrive. You see this file with this name, with the name you gave to it, show up there. Okay, you start making use of it. You can see the home tab, you can see the file, you can see insert, you can see layout, reference, review, view, and help. The major tabs you have in the desktop version of this software, all right, is also available on the web. So let's say, let me type few things. This is important, all right. Okay, so let's assume that I want to make this bold. I'll highlight it, then I'll click on bold, italicize, underline, the same thing you do with the desktop version of Microsoft Word. Okay, let's assume you're done with this and you want to have it locally on your computer. It's possible for you to download the file you have on the cloud, Microsoft document, Word document you have on the cloud, locally on your PC. The next step you need to take is to click on this file. Okay, so when you click on file, you can see this option here, create a copy. Click on it. On clicking on create a copy, you can see download a copy. So click on this download a copy, then click on download a copy again. So this file will be downloaded locally on your PC and you will have it in the downloads folder. Let me close this. If you try downloading the file for the first time and it doesn't go through, just repeat the process. Click on File tab, click on Create a Copy, and click on Download a Copy. Okay, then click on Download a Copy. You can see the file has now started to download. Okay, so if I get to the downloads folder here of my PC, I'll be able to see this file. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, you can see that file sample. So this is how you can use Microsoft Word free of charge on your laptop. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, including how to use some software. So, subscribe to learn. Hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system we know that is a valuable content. So please hit the like button, okay? And watch this video here to learn more on some other tasks you can complete through Microsoft Word. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.